Emikoro naakuhisyaho kirisoda. Nakwachira mnonga ha TV basi bari mnonga kurengo wataho TV yaho kandi watwegitaho eshankeji amazina and Estar Ahurira kan program y'Emikoro nuko yatandiketi erizoba ninza kuretera mukoro gw'amani mnonga noreba hundi hona ntashanka buraya konkandi aha mu Uganda actually omurimbara oguno mukoro gwa Simpson hamwe na Rebecca kandi obantu botwinerizoba ninza kuba ninkoreka wedding day yabo obuzizoba nibo bashara mukujangu babase kuba obushwere bwabo ningashiravu yabo mbagitwara aha level ndijo. Umugore witu werizoba ni Simpson hamwe na Rebecca kandi abambaza bagaitirwa aha Ruharo Cathedral kandi kubararjaho mbija kubambaza ahari Igongo Culture Center kuno yanho reception yabo aheri. Otakaye program ejine kureterwa kiri soda omumaduka gona supermarket zone zikurihi echo kunywe kirumu kandi kiri aha benche mnonga kandi basa kuchetunjira obwire bona na mnonge shankezi eza chamushana. Program na Emikoro nyenda kuretere omukoro gwa Rebecca hamwe na Simpson orebe decoration eyo mwaka orebe umugore murunji eyo mwaka orebe abantu love echekumanzi.
Beloved of God, we have come together in the presence of God to witness the marriage of Simpson and Rebecca, to ask God's blessing on them and to share in their joy. If there is anyone present here who knows any genuine reason why this person, Simpson and Rebecca, may not look for a mother to declare it now. Harabe hakoine kigambo cyo icyamazima ekiro kuzibera abantu ababombi Simpson na Rebecca okutera mahamu kushoyo kukwera kukweberagira obiri akigambira kimwe nayo kugahati ukine akirekere kimwe biterera ngo umungaro runonga yesazimwe cyaho kandi kikirwa.
Will you take Rebecca to be your friend? Will the wife, will you love her, comfort her, honor, protect her? Not forsaking all other women, be faithful to her as long as the boss of you shall live.
Yes, I will.
Good. Lady Rebecca, will you take it? It's going to be your offering with the husband. Will you love him, comfort him, honor, and protect him? Not forsaking all other men, be faithful to him as long as both of you shall live.
Yes, I will.
No.
Hi, Simpson. Thank you, Mr. and Rebecca. Be my lawful wedded wife. To have alcohol from this day forward. For better for us, for richer for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love till death do us part. According to God's holy law. Rebecca, this is my solemn vow.
I, Emikoro, take your attention to be my lawful husband from this day forward, from this forward, for richer or poor, in sickness and in health, to love and to charity, till God according to God's holy will. Simpson, this is my fault, so wonderful.
Rebecca, I give you this ring. It's a sign of our marriage. With my body I honor you. All that I am I give to you. All that I have I share with you. Within the love of God, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Simpson, I give you this ring as a sign of our heart. With my body I honor you. All that I am, I give it to you. All that I have, I share with you. Within the love of God, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Wonderful. In the presence of God, and before this congregation, I therefore proclaim that from now, they are now husband and wife, in the name of God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. That when God has gathered together, yet no man divided. Atuhangati ile atanikuwa ilaka wa watatu sana. May the blessing of God Almighty, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit be with you now and forevermore. Kama siwe chapa ni
Bari mlonga kurengo chini tu ha program ya Emikoro kandi umukoro gwitugwa mwami Simpson hamwe na Becky nuko guriyo nugugenda gutyo ezeshaha baheza church aho Ruharo kandi baza kubambaza Igongo aha reception yabo aheri of course bakusharinga cyamushana na namashemero n'amazina na kimwe cyona na nabantu abesire ku bantu ba celebrating nabo izoberi biteshahejire katumureho kace ni ngaruka umukoro gwito of course nubo gwatandika details nchikwinire nyinji otakarga
Emikoro naakuhisyaho kirisoda. Emikoro naakuhisyaho kirisoda.
Kolka yomka humuro bari mnoga kurengo chini itwe kampamye ngo waye tungire cyo kunya cyawe cha kirisoda okureba ngo uriyo no tukoratera kandi uri netwa hizo bari ya Becky hamwe na Simpson baku celebrating rukundo yabo bakohereza yo mishoga mkamana no mishoga abantu ejin wedding day yabo of course ni mano manya izoberi okuru kubarshemerere abantu so ogongo mukoro gutwine ko yanderi zoba twahika reception of course niza kubani nkoretera byona ebyona bigendo mu misho aha reception kandi ogende nitwe no shemerana na Becky hamwe na Simpson ahabo izoba yabo eri bahikaho erizoba
Shemezi bagomisho kcherari buri gasheshe Shemezi bakurebe cyoce zituziryaho nizetara no hakorota kozire mukabagana so kwingana Jira busasi ngo mwana mwetererwa mwembi Nabaningani uri babite
Nyure words nabachi
twashemerera amazima
bari kurebeka
no bari gusima
muri abantu abakureka abandi rave che kumanzi
yes akuba nicyo tugenderire ekiteretere twazo mu bushero burukwera nabwo I love na rukundo yes
izoberi numwehurira muta
very happy we feel very happy and very excited
describe injire ho kachaka happiness ako
well I would want to borrow better words to explain ngokundo kurra konka ebigambo byo mbasubita funaje ukono manye kuri kushemera ukuba kuri mundo mu mutima ukota kwasa kufuna kigambo cyo kugamba kutukuresha heje
mama ro bwire kwingana kibito mu datinga tutakashira izobere
ubirari no bonga
like
5 years I think yes
tura mteje
sibina well ibintu bya rukundo yeri genda tukupapa wetwara wetegereza umuntu no kugenda nawe tumara kumarwamo umuntu nuwogo ibigendero byanje nibyebe eno sharaho uzo mukanisa ekirizo mukoro yes
elizoba okureba ngo mwahika a stage yo ku upgrading love mukajureka abantu bona njimanyisa cyamagara ganyu babiri
you want to respond
Yes, nyo ni mpura nshemerera mnonga kandi ni mpura okusima mukama umurinye and abantu ninjira other couples ababire baryokwe bamazire myaka mingi they have to pray binokushabaruhanga akabaisya akintu nkecha kuko ni mangu n'ekiroto cya buri muntu wena buri mwishiki wena ryokwe narota kufuna kuzo muchacha ka weddinga and akafuna akashemerera mnonga ko kutwashemerera izo
Simpson Becky no mukona
adebyenje inje mazima cyo kubanza Becky no mukazi ayetwiri no acuriri uno muntu akubacuriri hati nyondi omuntu ayama extravert undi muntu arimo akantu sharp so hati no ndo muntu acuriri kugira ngo mbase kwikanisa ki ebitekateko tu no muntu arakunda arahanga mnonga yuni nkunda arahanga so kuko no kunda arahanga bitakuru no muntu ari nebintu bikushana nebyawe so nakunda arahanga no mushabi ico nikikuru magara ganje and so many other things but can also see she's very beautiful so hati we umukazi ko guri yare no mujrotashi atogo musheshe no guri yare love her so much.
Thank you. Tugambire kache aha Simpson tumanyogo tukureba
I know Simpson ni mkunda ho is a very hard working man nakunda kudropinga kandi nakurikiriza n'ikindi nakunda Ruhanga nanye kabe nyenda mazima ndininge no muntu arukunda Ruhanga twaguma namugambira tushabe hamwe hayikirize tushabe kandi tugume Ruhanga nzomchachi ntushaba like we serve God together and we build our family together.
Abantu abari mu relationship nyenda abakwenda nabo ngu izobere barebe ibice bine kora ebiba basisimwe babi
cyo kubanza like she said no kushaba nchukuru ukuba tine Ruhanga bure bunje ibintu byanga kuko ine Ruhanga ibintu bino kugenda bakango hamwe tu sometimes I think social capital is important. People need to have friends. People need to have people. Because abanywani, sometimes in situations like these ones, they come in handy. So, nichurungi kuba ina abanywani. Bito abanywani bito batwere byo kutangaza batwere byinji. Twakubire ngo twine amani menshi gato garenje kuja mu muntu wasakura mukoro guti. It's a big function, very expensive. So banywani bitu no batire batuyambere chango. So kugira abanywani barungi kandi binji nacho dicukuru. And maybe naona wasakondera.
Abantu bine kuba kugira kumusiriza nicyo kinkwasa kubagambira kana no kushaba munonga. Nicyo kinkwasa kuba hamwe.
Gambochi ebintu kale ebyo promisinga Simpson from now, of course na nemyaka more 100 years or so to come.
Okay, Simpson, I'm going to love you and I'll take care of you. That's all.
I can promise to love her, protect her, provide for her, pray for her. I'll do everything within my means to keep her and to love her. Yes.
Na za baptism stage
kashika mwana Ruhanga yakwire yono yanga ishicho twasimu za mukama. Yes. And finally, I want to thank my wife. My wife has been patient with me. She has loved me and I cannot take anything for granted. I thank her and I want to tell her that I love her so much.
I love you too.
Isn't that nice? Abona abagore bitu berizoba mwabarebo kubabonera ebigambo bagamba njawa bireba wagire cywaye choosingam iwota kashwire iwori yo mu relationship iwori kwenda kugira umukoro nkogu njano uja kuja chango ecywabegeraho abagore bitu berizoba congratulations of course tubendeza emigisha ya mukama yona okubanimwe ntugumiza muna program yitu odakarga
Shemezi bagomisho kcherari uri kasheshe Shemezi bakurebe nchoche zitu ziryaho nizetara No hakorota kozire mukabagana so kwingana Jira busasi mwana mwetererwa mwembi Nabaningani uri babitebea obubulizi bwingi Bitakura chikopa chinywa Yesu akashaba chingure Banyini tweo Weshe tore yange Bitu no hari kusinga Weshe tore yange Bitu no hari kusinga Onkora biji ukwe basetao Nakungarama manjeza okwimuka Onkora binjira Awushinga kwa mama Niwefunde kuigiza kakara Masaja joti Usiwe ndani gani Agama zina Megani Nobody can show you love.
ohereze Becky haga okumukursyayo byona kuyanyumwazyo kusheri izoba nivyevyo mutere mugana basire kana rekene
imugwanye no kufitera umugaro wanje bagagitirwa yanje ryahari ari
omukwatira mugongo kubangire otyo pora no tebe kazaza kushitama
Okay.
Mukamanje sebo ni shabani washtame
yebuzabuze beno manyana kwiyawe yebuzabuze yobora ile kushitama reality donena kwiyawe
Program echiriye Emikoro kandi bari munonga kurengo chenetwe obuno mukoro gwa Simpson hamwe na Rebecca abagore bitu babonera 100% perfect mwabareba rukundo nivyo byekore ebyo obujenyi burungi babukora kandi abantu babatahire Embaga babonera munonga eshahezi ningushaba ngutumureho kace munonga ndiyo ningaruka otakarga
Emikoro nekuhikibwaho kirisoda. Emikoro nekuhikibwaho kirisoda.
kurukayo mukahumuro kiriyo noreba TV wascan program ne Emikoro ko kubantu wazaho TV yawe omukoro guturiho no gwa Simpson hamwe na Rebecca abantu aba elizoba ni wedding day yabo bagaitirwa Ruharo kandi hati bari ahari Igongo kunuya Ruharo Embaga aho bakora reception yabo abagore aba babonera Becky yabonera omukatimba ke ka fitting of course aine figure nunji kandi of course na Simpson nawe yabonera wamureba ba maids babonera abatahi bobujenyi babonera kandi bushimwe cyona cyabonera koka nyenda nkugarayo tugumize mu Emikoro yitu ya Simpson hamwe na Rebecca otakaye bwakonywera kiri soda okatunga amagara marunji abo kubecho kunywa kitine kabikona ahamagara gawo tugumizamu no mukoro gwa Rebecca na Simpson
kandi Simpson na Rebecca nyenda ngambere mbisyo bwambo bucyumba gambere nyo sentence emwe iri kugira ngo love is desiring the highest good for the other person ngurukundo no kwendeza mugenzi wawe ekikukira yo burungi omunsi yona omuchagwara ngo bushobozi bwona tetite no mwana no mwa yarakwera gumeni iwe Simpson and Rebecca tuzukire mena bazire banyu gumombuje nyobu nebyo nibikuza kurataho nebyo kuza kuribwa byona no kushemerwa mwena buri cyo kubargaho hatina nebiro byona amina
nakunda ababrother.
Okay.
Obwere bwitu. Danju!
Simple, kora. Simple, where are you going?
Yakutwara so wa football reagishira hansi.
Bashama.
Mukaga! Ina! Ishatu! Ibiri! Emazra! Bije!
Ogumshawana katana mchenga leo. Ogumshatana mchenga n'icyaro.
Ati yamusi.
Yesebo.
DJ.
Simpson agatebe karya.
Akatekanye.
Abishane manyabona babine direction zabo.
Ati ayabishana batukabagenderaho.
Bana mu senti bonire.
Muhereze cyo kunekira y'ubuhango.
Yamawe. Ebiri yo twire ngambara bamana banje bashweye banje kureba.
Korra wasipana shaka otero hit. Mawe.
Sibora.
Umhabat lobo manga umhabat. Etangu mnongo etangu.
Bwana sibora
Etangu.
Shiriye mwana ashibwe. Shaba chinoro za sibora yari mamurore. Sibora muheze cyageke. Sibona amanyire n'yateyo.
Akoguma.
Sipa amanyire n'yateyo bro hadiyo yo muheza katuka. Abashino mana no moroza. Very good.
Mawe.
Kwanda yajatunywa hariyechi. Ahantu ho kumanona injira. Ajara cyakashatu nawe sipo ya. Sipo ya byatiriya hariyechi ahantu ho kumanona injira. Ya mawe ni mamusake.
Akatero mshakura na kuona kale bakaho. Bas. Andi, MC. Abana bakapana ko manyira kurya keke. Ado bakapana abana ari kacu. Uwo mucyaro we nana shaka akashatra papa.
Berejera umana sipo.
Muje mugabura abantu bitu. Muje mugabura abantu bakete. Sipo yamutera kahama. Sipo no
Koraho muzee yakwato umukoti.
iki ni cyihoro cyo kubanza.
Wawe. Okuzara kujaganya.
Wote wakijana akatera ka. Namebaza. Wewe ni kuzara umshisha. Namebaza mnongo.
Kumwana wena kuzurete.
Wewe.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Abashuka bembatera kanisa.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
Yes, a few, please, for the interest of time. The maid shall rule the rest. Let's walk.
Okay,
Simpson, you can walk on the parents and then.
Ladies
and gentlemen, yes. Simpson aliyonaza kugaburanye na Zara n'abantu bona. We cyo kuzara kujaganya. Mama majana webale mama. Simpson yari ati mama webale kuzara umwana. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. For the interest of time, Simpson and the wife shall only serve the parents, and then the rest shall be done by the maids. For the interest of time, kindly help us and serve only the parents. Thank you. Yes. Where do you eat from? Very smart. Very smart. This is why they paid their money to dance. They have on the wrist there.
Urione ureba TV wese bari mnonga kurengo gumene itwe ha program y'Emikoro ejeri TV wese kandi ngo aguri Emikoro gwa Simpson hamwe na Rebecca abantu aba wareba uko babonera mnonga wareba abantu aba batahire Embaga wareba decoration na gowns na maids uko babonera kandi Embaga yabanunje mnonga amazina na Estar Ahurira abagore bituberizo abantu bendezo bushwere burunji mwe bare kubonera mwe bare kore Embaga nunji kandi mwe bare kutweta okuba part of your day and Estar Ahurira na nyine Asaf turiahebwa kamera kandi program ejane kuretera kirisoda eriyo maduka gona no mu supermarket zona ezikurehi kirisoda noza ko bano gishanga yo mpako murundo kwija kama kundindire bye bye.
Emikoro yabane kushyibwaho kirisoda.